Hey GlamFam, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing some soft locks 8-inch using this Bobbi Boss hair. All right, there's the hair. So what I'm going to be doing is a row of singles on the front and a row of singles on the back side. This way you can style the hair however you like, and then it will give that impression as though the hair is done in singles instead of just having it crocheted all the way through. So what I'm doing, I'm braiding, just doing some little box plaits. I don't know, this is not the perfect close-up because we cannot see, but I'll show you guys in just a moment. So after I'm done plaiting the hair, I'm going to crochet the hair through like so, and then you have to hide our natural hair, so you kind of open the faux locks and hide the braid inside. Okay, here is a better close-up. So I am doing the braiding. So this is just where you're using 3 strands, and I plait halfway. And then here is a close-up. So you push your needle through, lock the hair, hold the other end, and then you're going to hide our hair by kind of opening the lock. And I typically try to like push it toward the root of the hair just to hide it in place. All right, next we are moving on to the middle portion of the head, where we are going to do some cornrows, or what you would call a cane row. In Jamaica we call it cane row, but cornrows, just going back, and then I'm going to leave the ends out and then do one going across the back. Alright, so I'm going to take all that's left out. I'm just going to make one braid going across the back. Alright, with that one that's left, I'm going to be pulling it through the braid and just trying to hide that one single strand, and keep pulling it through until that strand of hair is hidden. All right, I'm just adding some oil to the hair, Carol's daughter oil, because she's gonna be wearing this for a while. Generally when I do her hair, she keeps it in for a very long time. Alright, the next thing we're gonna do is add or crochet braids, and all we're gonna do is push the needle through, grab the hair, and we're just gonna do this throughout the head. I like to add my crochets like kind of spaced out at first, because I don't like, if you are not careful, the hair can be too bulky and too full with crochet. So I like to space out the hair and then go back in and fill in like the part that looks spacey. Okay, so now I'm almost done. I'm going in and I'm trying to fill in the spaces. The parts that look too far apart, I'm just gonna be filling that in. Then I'm also gonna be putting some on the one braid that I did at the very back going across. Okay, so here I am at the back portion, filling that in, and then just going through again and filling in any space. We ended up using 7 packs of hair because the hairs are so small. Like, I feel like they get smaller. I don't know. Every time you go to buy hair, I just feel like the packs get smaller and smaller. And with crochet, you just have to be careful, because if you're not careful, then you'll end up with too much hair on your head, and then it's going to just look like a big poof of fake hair. You want to wear the fake hair, but it doesn't have to look absolutely fake, if that makes sense. So this is what it looks like when we are all done. So if you made it this far into the video, what do we say, Zan?
Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.